So hello friends, finally I reached to the India Gate, which is designed by the Irving Lutyens in 1921. So let's see the view of the India Gate. I am feeling so awesome here after coming and visiting this India Gate. So stay update me and get lots of information regarding the India Gate. So stay and get information. Thanks for watching. Let's see the view. This is the view around the India Gate. Lots of visitors are coming to visit this India Gate. So which is one of the monument and historical place of India. So let's see the view and stay updated with me and let's support it. Thank you so much. So the India Gate, which is formerly known as All India War Memorial, located near the Rajpath, officially called nowadays as a Kartavya Path, on the edge of ceremonial axis of New Delhi, which stand as a memorial to 74,887 soldiers of the Indian Army who sacrificed his life between 1914 and 1921 in the First World War in France, Flanders, Mesopotamia, Persia, East Africa, and the Third Anglo-Afghan War. So 13,300 servicemen's names, including some soldiers and some officers from the United Kingdom, are also inscribed on the gate of India Gate. So the foundation stone of India Gate was laid of His Royal Highness the Duke of Connaught in 1921, and it was designed by Edwin Lutyens along with Herbert Baker. So the monument was dedicated to the nation 10 years later by the Viceroy Lord Irwin. So the Kartavya Path, which is previously known as Rajpath or Kingsway during the British rule. So the 3-kilometer stretch was as a ceremonial way which was designed by Edwin Lutyens and Herbert Bakers, the architects of New Delhi, when Delhi was shifted as a capital of British India from Kolkata in 1911, which is also connected to Rashtrapati Bhavan as a president's house. So another memorial, Amar Jyoti, which was also installed at this place. So I am feeling so awesome here, and I came here first time. This is my first experience in India Gate, where I came here to visit, which is located only 3 to 4 kilometers away from the Connaught Place, Rajiv Chowk, and also President House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, which is located 3 kilometers away from the here. From this stage we can go directly to Rashtrapati Bhavan, and Red Fort, which is also located 3 kilometers away from the here. So it is a very good experience which I got. We can see the design and architecture of this monument of India Gate. Similarly, the Gateway of India was also built in Mumbai by the George Whitted in the memory of Queen George V and Queen Mary, who visited there. When they are King George V and Queen Mary, who are returning from the India in 1911 after attending the Delhi Darbar in Delhi when India Gate was built. At the time, Gateway of India also built in Mumbai when they were returning from India from the Mumbai. So that was the same place. So Gateway of India and India Gate, which all are the best monument example of the Britishers which built in India, along with the Rashtrapati Bhavan, Victoria Memorial in Kolkata, and some monument. So still we are coming and visiting this monument, and we can see the decoration of this monument is also looking very well. And I have to visit some places here, and now I am going towards the Netaji. Now just I reached to the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose statue, which is just in front of the India Gate. So let's see, I am going to also explain about the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. So another memorial, Amar Jyoti, was added later after India was got its independence. The eternal flame burns day and under the arc of to remind the nation of soldiers who laid down their lives in the Indo-Pakistan War of December in 1971, and the announcement come from 2 days before the 15th anniversary of Independence Day. So the architecture called Amar Jyoti, Flame of the Immortal Soldiers, has since 1971 served as India's Tomb of the Unknown Soldiers. India Gate is contented among the largest war memorials in India, and in every Republic Day, the Prime Minister visits the India Gate to pay their tributes to the Amar Jawan Jyoti flowing, such as the Republic Day parade starts at that time. So the Republic Day parade starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan and passes around the India Gate through Kartav part, which is already I defined about the Kartav part. So on 21 January in 2022, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced that a statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose would be in the canopy of India's gate. So the announcement came 2 days before the 125th birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and a 28 feet high and 6 feet wide 3D holographic statue of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was inaugurated on 23 January on 2022 on the occasion of the Parakarma Divas, which is the birth anniversary of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So this is the night view of the gate, India Gate, which is clearly visible from the here, and many more tourists and visitors are coming across the world and including from Indian each and every state to travel and visit this place during the morning, today and night each and every time. So it's fully crowded, and night time you can see our India Gate is also visible in triangular and in tricolor. So it is a very good time for me, and it is my best experience ever. I also got in New Delhi to learn. I learned lots of things regarding the India Gate, Rashtrapati Bhavan, President Town, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose statue and War Memorial. So जय हिंद, जय भारत, भारत माता की जय, and Vande Mataram. So once again, thank you so much. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.